Place the mince in the mixing bowl.
Everything you do, it sends
Add
me
1 egg.
higher than the moon with every
Next,
twinkle
wash
in
and
your
chop
eye.
your
You strike
spring
a
onion, your
match
ginger,
that lights
and
my
your
heart
chives.
on fire. When you're near, I hide my blushing face and trip on my shoelaces. Grace just isn't my forte, but it brings me to my knees when you say hello.
Once that's all done,
How are
place it in the bowl
you,
with the
my
mince.
darling? Today I fall into a pile on the floor.
Add some
Puppy
cheap
love is
wine.
hard to ignore. When every little thing you do, I do.
Some oyster sauce,
Adore.
some light soy sauce,
Different as can be. I've noticed you're remarkably
white pepper,
relaxed, and I'm overly uptight. We balance out each other nicely. You wear sandals in
now
the
mix it all
snow.
together.
In mid-July,
Add some salt.
I still feel cold. We're opposites in every way, but I can't resist it when you say
some olive oil,
hello, how are you, my darling? Today I fall
and
into
mix
a
it all in
pile
one direction.
on the floor. Puppy love is hard to ignore. When every little thing you do, I do adore.
Take 1 fried gluten round. Using chopsticks, make a hole. Be careful not to poke a hole all the way through. And once that's done, you can begin to add mince using the chopsticks to push the mince into the hole. This part requires patience, but it's worth it in the end.
When every little thing you do, I do adore. Every little thing, ba 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 ba. Every little thing, ba 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 ba. Every little thing you do, I do adore.
And finally done. Now repeat this process as many times as you can. The end result should look something like this. Now to prepare bamboo, we found this one in Tesco. Wash the bamboo and then leave it to sit in some water. And now it's time to cook. Once the pan is hot, add some oil. Making sure it covers the whole pan. Place them in the pan one at a time by hand. Add cold water until they are submerged about halfway. Add some dark soy sauce and some light soy sauce.
Enough.
Now add some sugar. Now add the bamboo and leave it in the pan to cook. Once the water is boiling, reduce heat to medium. Now prepare some spring onion leaves. Once most of the water has evaporated, taste the soup and see if it requires more salt. Once the soup thickens, add your spring onion. And now it's time to serve.